Very good afternoon, students. Manisha, Assistant Professor, R.M.D.E. Engineering College. Now I'm going to take next topic, extended Euclid algorithm, that is multiplicative inverse. So what is the condition of using this multiplicative inverses? So the points is A should be greater than B. So A should be a quotient and B should be your A, and first you have to assume T1 equal to 0, T2 equal to 1, T equal to T1 minus T2 into Q. So you'll be having A, B, the first value, quotient and remainder, T1 and T2, the next T. So first, it is a multiplicative inverse. Like example 1, what is a multiplicative inverse of 3 mod 5? So what you're going to do, you have to going to divide it 3 mod 5. So what will be the quotient of this 1, 3, remainder will be 2. So how we are going to enter is, so the first A and B, so which is greater, that will be A value, and which is lower, that will be B value. Like that only you will be dividing it. And then for quotient, you will be writing 1, and remainder you will be writing 2. Then what is the condition? T1 equal to, first always it should be T1 0, T2 1. So when you calculate, and what is the formula for calculating T is T1 minus T2 into Q. So what is the T1 values? T1 is 0, T2 is minus 1. Actually, minus T2 value is 1. So 0 minus 1 into Q. So what you will do, this 1 into 1, first what you do, this T2 into T2 into Q will multiply it. So what is this? Minus 1 into 1, you will be having minus 1. So T here is minus 1. Now what you will do, you will drag it up. So what is here? So this 3 will come here. This remainder will come to B. T2 value will be coming to T1 and T value will be coming to D. Now 3 divided by 2, what will be the quotient will be 1 and the remainder will be 1. So for this, again you will be calculating T1 value. What is T value? T1 minus T into Q. Now here T1 is 1 and minus, and you put T2 in minus 1 into quotient value is 1. So this minus 1 into minus 1, you will be having minus 1 minus into minus plus T equal to 2. Now the next value, again this 2 you will be shifting here and this 1 you will be shifting here. So until 0 you will get, you will be doing it. 1 by 1 by 2. So quotient will be 2, remainder will be 0. So anyhow you are going to find the values for T1 and T2. So T1 into T1 minus T2 into Q. So T1 is minus 1, T2 is minus, and T2 is Q into 2. So 2 into 2, 4, minus 4, minus 1. So T value is minus 5. Then you will be sloping down 1, 0, 2 minus 5. So what you will be having here is, so with 0 as a 2 number, you cannot do division. So you will be stopping here. So this how you will be calculating the so therefore 2 is the, so you will be calculating this value. So for quotient you will be getting, for remainder for T2 again you will swap it, and because without quotient and remainder you cannot calculate the T value, because formula of T equal to T1 into T2 minus T1 minus T2 into Q. So without Q value will not be finding. So 2 is the multiplicative inverse of 3. So what is T1 you are getting? That is the multiplicative inverse. Thank you.